If you would like to add channels to your YouTube account, then stay tuned. Watch this video all the way to the end as I show you how. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, your place to grow your business using YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add as many YouTube channels to your YouTube account as you would like. But before I do, if this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload brand new videos every Tuesday. And if you are an existing subscriber, thanks for watching. How are you today? So you want to add another YouTube channel to your YouTube account. Now there are many reasons to do so. Maybe you want to set up a brand new channel. Maybe you want to create a brand channel for your YouTube channel that you already have. Maybe you want to move your personal channel over to a brand account. Whatever your reason, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube channel to your existing YouTube account. So let's head on over to the trusty computer to do so. So here we are at youtube.com, and all you need to do is go to youtube.com/account. So when you open that up, you will have the option here to see all my channels or create a new channel. Click on that. So you'll see a list of channels, and then you'll have this option here, create new channel. So you want to give it a name. So we're sticking with our theme of Joseph Bananas. Click on create. And boom, there it is. So you can just go in, customize your channel, add in your channel art, your channel icon, everything in there, your description, everything as you would for a brand new channel. So if we go back to youtube.com/account again, you will see we are logged in as this one. So I see my channels. And there we go. We have this brand new channel we have created on our YouTube account. So there you go, that's how you add an additional YouTube channel to your YouTube account. There are multiple reasons why you want to do so. Let me know which reason you have in the old comments area below. I'd love to know why you're creating this brand new channel. And if you have a question about this or anything else to do with ye olde YouTube, make sure to pop that in the old comments area as well, and I'll do the best I can to help you get that question answered. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. And if you're not a subscriber, you know the drill. Hit the subscribe button, notification bell. We upload videos every Tuesday. You'll be notified when. Also as well, click on one of these videos here to help you grow your YouTube channel, especially for your business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.